guys, welcome back to ANEENA Vlogs. Today we're back with another amazing travel vlog, which is completely nature accepted place, and I'm 100% sure that you'll be amazed after watching the view. It's such an amazing place where you can definitely go with your family and friends. Khairah Waterfall is 30 kilometers to the south of Al-Baha in Bani Hassan Governorate. Like the Khairah Forest Park, this place is ideal for escaping the hustle and bustle of the city and taking everything that nature has blessed the region with. This region of Baha is the one of the many impressive natural areas in the south that will inspire you to visit again. In the midway of hairpin curves and the salient curves to the waterfall stops you to experience this stunning view. To us, a lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. On the way, we met some German tourists and they were extremely amazed with this place. If you are in search of an adventure, then head towards this place. The park provides the best opportunity for hiking through woods and waterfall along with the scenic view of nature. Khaira is known for its terraced agriculture that collects and stores rainwater. This stored water feeds the waterfall, which is called Qalt well. The water continues flowing for a long time and reaches the bottom of the village. You can even spend your summer here because the weather is gorgeous year-round. We would suggest you to spend a whole day even utilizing the campsite. It's worth to spend a whole day, but we couldn't as we met this place on the last day of our vacation. This place is also filled with the yellow straw flower in one whole part of the area, which makes it even more pleasant to watch. That's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates. Here begins our Al-Baha diaries. So stay tuned.